Boom, I'm back like you owe me money. I'm gonna record this, but I figured whatever, man. I got nothing else to post. Quick oil change on a 2016 or 15 Jetta. It's a 1.8 turbo. Quick little oil change. Let's get into it. I already got the car up on the ramps and I chalked the wheels and there's a jack stand underneath. Like I said, I wasn't gonna record this, so that's why I did all of this off camera. All right, let's start with the drain plugs right here, and it's a 19, pretty big drain plug. I think He-Man tightened this. All right. Take that out all the way. Reposition my pan a bit. I don't really like filming oil changes. Very messy for the camera. And across the driveway. Alright, we're gonna let that piss out. There's a lot of oil in this car. This car takes so much oil. I'll be right back. Links in the description. Alright. Size was this again? So we can get a clearer access to that. That's the housing filter. Filter housing, not housing. Flip it around. That's gonna be 32. Ratchet in there. Crank her out. You're gonna want to unscrew this while the oil is still draining out, because the filter holds on to some of the oil. I can actually hear, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I can hear it. It's pretty much done draining now. Move her over here. Alright, new filter right here. That's the part number. Comes with a filter. And at the bottom of the box is a new O-ring. Old filter, pretty straightforward. Pull it out, see how bad it is. If you really anal, you could spray this out, clean it out. I don't think that's necessary. New filter over this guy. Pop it in. Just like that. The O-ring is right here. You're gonna need a pick to take it off, or maybe you could do it with your fingers, but I'm gonna use a pick to lift it over and off. All right, you want to pay attention to where the seal is sitting, because you have to put the new one in the exact spot, or it will have a improper seal. It's just gonna start leaking. On and off. Yeah. Make sure your seal's seated properly. And this guy's ready to be screwed back in. And you put your socket back on. Crank her down, not too tight. That ain't going nowhere. You gotta say that. Alright. Now, we're back on the ground. Oh, drop the ball. Got it. Alright. Now you put your drain plug back in. It would be great if I point the camera there, huh? Come on. Go in straight. There it is. And you want to crank this to 200 foot-pound. Beep, 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 beep. That's my torque wrench right there. That's it. All right. Yes, and after you could spray the area, some brake clean or degreaser, whatever you got. Just to make it nice. All right, let's go upstairs. All right, this is the oil we're gonna be using. 5W30. And this car online says it holds 5.7 liters. So that's the whole thing of this and a little bit of this. If it needs more, we add more, but it won't take this whole small bottle. Okay, I poured the oil in. I'm gonna start the car, let it run for a bit, and get it down off the ramp so I get a nice level reading.